for joining me. I've got this horrible squeaking sound. Ugh. This all started when the water pump went and some of the antifreeze dripped onto the belt. Although we've changed the water pump and the timing changed since then as well, but this squeak has stayed there. So I'm hoping if I stick a new belt on it, it's going to sort it out. I spun the tensioner and stuff, that all seemed okay, didn't seem like it was tight. Hopefully this is going to do the job. Let's get it sorted. First thing we'll do is pop the bonnet up and turn the engine off. So there's the bonnet, and don't forget to turn the engine off. Oh, there we go. That's a good start. Pop the latch and get it up in the air. There we go, now we can see what we're doing. First thing we're going to do is just whip off this front scuttle panel, this air intake. It won't take 2 minutes. This job is really easy on these. It's a nice one. If you've got a broken belt or yours is a bit worn and cracking, I'll show you how quick it is to change it. Let's whip this cover off. 2 screws in the front and 1 on the top. Got my little bit box there. Let's have a quick look, see what size we need. TX30. As always, I put links for all the tools and the parts in the description below, so you can just have a quick pop down there. Always helps me out if you use those links. And this is a great bit of kit. Love this Milwaukee stuff. And this will come out with a bit of a wiggle and a little bit of negotiation. Like that. See the belt, I might just pop this off just so we can get a bit more daylight there. You see the belt tucked away down here. We've got a new water pump on there, like I said, so it goes round the crankshaft pulley, up around the air conditioning pump, round the idler, round the alternator, round the water pump, round the tensioner, and then back to the crank pulley. We're going to just loosen it off with this little lever here as a bolt on the tensioner. We can pull that and it'll just release it. So I've got a 15mm socket on a bar. We just pop that onto there. As we pull it up, it will loosen the belt. So we can lift that up and just pop a little screwy through the hole and into that tensioner there, and that will hold us in place so we can get the belt off. I'll just take my tensioner out of the way. So now the belt's nice and slack, we can pop that off. Yeah, please like and subscribe to the video if it's been of use. Again, it helps me out no end. Drop me a little comment as well if you've got something to say. Like I say, we'll just check these again. See, that one's free, there's no play in it. That one's free, there's no play in it. Alternator's good. So we should be okay with the new belt. That's the size I've got on this one. It's a Gates belt, 6PK 1700. Hopefully it's the right one. Okay, so we went round there, around the tensioner, around the water pump. You can hear the cogs going around in my brain, trying to remember which way I put it on or took it off. Oh look, I've got it wrong already, look. It don't go that way. I'll figure it out in a minute when it don't fit. Here we go, look, you've done something wrong. It's because I've tried to put it on back to front. Okay, if I'd have started the way I took it off, I'd have been alright. Here we go. It's all coming clear. That's the way you did it. Yeah, around there. That's it, all that round. It's easy to get confused with the routing on these. It don't take much to get it wrong. They will go on a multitude of ways. Pop that off the bottom pulley now. I know we're there, so I can drop that around the alternator at the top, around there, around the air conditioning, around the pump, and then the last but not least, I'll slip that back onto the bottom puller.
How we got there in the end.
Right, so this feels a little bit longer than the other one.
We'll get the socket back onto the tensioner. Just take the load off it, pop the screwdriver out.
Just push that up, pull my pin out, and it go back. Yeah, beautiful. Okay, we're all in place. Let's start it up and see if the noise is gone. The moment in truth. Silence! What about that?
You can see how noisy it was before. I'll just put a clip in. Wow, that's loud. And now it is again now. Beautiful and quiet. Lovely, lovely. We'll get that engine cover back on again. You switch it off, just drop that down onto its little clips. Push it in. Have the air intake back on again. Screw that up. And that's it. Good as gold. No, it didn't take long at all, did it? I think the whole job's sort of done in about 10 minutes. Just check it again, make sure it's all good and quiet. Happy days.
Oh, she's as good as gold. Oh, what a difference that's made just by swapping out the belt. Now, I mean, this one, there's nothing obviously wrong with it. There's no cracks in it. It's not that old. But the antifreeze that got onto it, it's just got onto the belt in all of its nooks and crannies, causing it to squeak as it's rotating around the pulleys. One thing I've just noticed, if I put the two bits together like that, it's just a squeaky belt. It's just, yeah, ugh. Just annoying. I mean, it's not going to cause any trouble, but yeah, just doing me head in, absolutely doing me head in. All changed over. She's sounding as good as gold. If that's been of use, drop me a little thumbs up. Always love your comments, drop me some comments, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.